Hello folks from sunny and beautiful Saranda, Albania. Today we took a trip to the Blue Eye, which is about 30 kilometers from here. And we took a taxi up there, and the taxi waited for us while we hiked up to the spring, and took us back here. But the footage up to the Blue Eye was fucked up because I had this time-lapse option pushed in on my GoPro, and it recorded all in hyper speed. But the rest of the footage is okay. So I hope you enjoyed our trip to the Blue Eye, and it's a beautiful place. So hope you enjoy it. It's well worth visiting this Blue Eye. It's an incredible place. Clear blue water and a natural spring which is shaped like an eye. And the turquoise and the blue colors here is just amazing. Surrounded with the mountains and the nature. Even if it's natural spring and force of nature, it's tourist attractions, of course. And they have restaurants and hotels here, but it's well worth a visit. It reminds me a bit of the Canyon Hotel in Macedonia, where we stayed for one night. I have a video about it, so if you are interested. So clear, the water. I bet you can drink this. There's a restaurant right beside the river here, but not open now. But I guess when the season hits, it should be amazing. Water anywhere, everywhere. It's pure spring water. I could easily stay the night here if it was open. Let's get the drone up. Water is just pouring out everywhere. Okay folks, back to the sea view crib that we got here, Airbnb, and Blue Eye, what an amazing place, well worth to visit. And tomorrow we are hiking up there. There is some kind of a castle there, some kind of a ruins which is built to a restaurant. And there's supposed to be a really nice view, panorama view. So see you on the next video.